My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Xash, X-A-S-H. This is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, as you can clearly see, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Xash ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that something bad has taken place with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore because of this horrible Xash ransomware. So this ransomware encrypts files and appends a special Xash extension to the file names. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't waste the money. Don't pay that ransom. What we recommend you to do urgently is removing this ransomware. We suggest you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start the program. It will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is surely very important for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan you'll see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, but please keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware to protect your files from further ransomware attacks, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You can clearly see that Combo Cleaner detects this ransomware very well. So you need to upgrade to Premium to fully remove this ransomware. And you may find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.